discovered some plants needed water. Here is the neighbor's chicken, just giving the egg to us. Oh, hi, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you. It's okay, it's okay. Ay, ay, ay. It's okay, no worries. It's still warm. Thank you, chicken. Maxim, look what I got. Яичко from our chicken. I interrupted her. She was giving the egg, and then she saw me like, oh, and she ran away. But look, the egg is here.
It's warm.
Yes, it's warm. Cool, right? Our eggs, because we have nothing left. Wow! Wow! 2 different portions. I like your way better. And here's with cacao. Here we have lime tree. The orchids we got with the house. They not mine, but I'm taking care of them. And other plants are mine. This is Coleus, Adenium, mix of plants. Coleus, Philodendron violin, Pothos, some colorful. Dieffenbachia I just found on the street in very bad condition, and now it's growing. And this cactus we brought from the beach. It was abundant with a beach cafe, you know, and I was looking after him for a couple of weeks, and finally I took it home because I couldn't even watch it there in a dark place. I still didn't report it, but it's just waiting for his time. In the last video from my birthday, Maxim gifted to me this jewelry box, and we went to fill it with some new rings because I really like rings, and then I also filled it with my own collection, their own story. It's from my mom. This is I made myself. I made 2 pieces and give one to my friend, so we have exactly the same. This snake is from India. Maxim gave it to me in March 8th, after 10 days knowing me. He already gifted me a ring, you know. This choker I also made by myself. What are you doing?
Banana cheesecake.
Banana cheesecake. Banana
fish cake.
It's a cracker from our childhood, and we found it in Vietnam, and now we're making cakes of it. So you put banana and yogurt together and then mix it with the fish. My Christmas tree, it's already here. We have wash disher outside of the kitchen, and I spent a lot of time on the fresh air, you know. That's good. сумку тебя, да? Ты хочешь в сумку? Давай, запрыгивай. Ой! Запрыгивай, запрыгивай. Вот так вот, вот. Да подождите. Оп, все. Ready. Okay. Look of the day. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, say. Голос, Лосяш. Голос. 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 Сюда. Beach area right now. I know it looks sad, but I have a good news as well. They are building the Christmas tree from bamboo, of course. Ciao. Let's see now, and we will come later to see the final result. Xin chào. At this moment, you have to type in the comments, why are you not in Goa? Look at this weather, look at this sadness around you. Come to sunny Arambol and walk from there. But again, I have this tiny dog on me. My friends asked to carry him while they visited Russia to do some important family stuff, and yeah, they had to come back in October. Now it's already December is coming, right? And I still have the dog, but I'm happy with him and I'm learning responsibilities, because usually I don't have any. I have no house, no car, not the nicest spot to walk with him, but before the storm, before typhoons, it was our favorite place to walk. That's why I decided to come here to show you the real HoiAn in off-season. The entrance to this beach location from the main road is the name The Taste of Sea Restaurant and Coffee. Here is the proof there were trees on the right side. Now you can see them on the beach. And yes, there are more Christmas decoration around HoiAn. And you can see the European tourists on shorts, on t-shirts, and Vietnamese people fully dressed. Pretty short. I back home, and what is expecting me here? Рыбный тортик, fish cake, coffee without milk, because we decided to not drink milk anymore. What's inside of your coffee? Condensed
because
milk.
Because of my color of coffee, no?
Yes, yes. What is with your color of coffee?
It's magic. I don't know why.
Давай наливай, поговорим.
Давай посмотрим, что получилось.
Banana, yogurt and cracker. All you need for the cheapest cake. The fastest one, no baking, because we even don't have a
Owen, no?
oven. We don't have oven, we don't have microwave right now, so it's only cake we can make.